You already know what to do. Make sure to smash that like button, get this video to 30 likes, and subscribe if you are new. I would really appreciate it. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this vid to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new. And share this video with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. And also comment what you thought of drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. It's been a minute since I've done a word art drawing. I think the last one I made was the Sasuke drawing. And I also added a few things within the Novara drawing that I made like 2 weeks ago. But here's Jiraiya. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I really like the fact that I wrote Naruto within the red area of Jiraiya's clothes. I had a hard time coming up with what to put in the background, but in the end I decided to put Jiraiya's headband symbol in the background and also the hidden leaf symbol in the background. But yeah, hopefully you all thought it was really cool. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a Naruto playlist, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, everybody, I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, but until next time, everybody, peace.